Previously I made a video where I pulled the fuel injection fuse to prime the engine after an oil change. I have since realized that you don't need to do this. And this is because the kill switch actually controls the fuel pump on this particular motorcycle. Previously I've always had bikes that had carbs, so the kill switch only controlled the ignition. But in this particular case, it controls the fuel pump as well. Now, there's an easy way to check this without even looking at the wiring diagram. So, with the kill switch in the on position, let's turn the ignition on and see what happens. That sound that you just heard is a fuel pump priming. So let's do this again and turn the kill switch to the off position. So in this particular case, the fuel pump doesn't prime. And just to triple check this whole idea, let's, at this point, turn the kill switch on. So you can hear the fuel pump. So yes, there's really no need to pull any fuses to prime the bike. All you need to do is just turn the switch to the off position and then crank the engine.